Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the part three of this video, the continuation. For the part two, we did ETL, we extracted the data, we transformed, and we loaded into Power BI. Now, for this one, we're going to start our dashboard. But first, we have to adjust our canvas background. We want to change the color, increase the height and the width of the canvas. To do that, we're going to click on this format your report page. Let's go to the settings first of all. Firstly, we'll change the type to custom. We're going to change the height to 840. We are going to change the width to 1440, and we have this. Next, we're going to the background. We want to change our background. And for the background, we're going to use the shade of blue. Next, as you can see, we can't see the shade of blue yet because our transparency is in 100%. So we're going to reduce the transparency to 9% and we have this. Now we're going to start putting in our KPI. We're going to use total sales, total units, number of item, average amount, and number of staffs. We're going to have five KPIs in this dashboard. KPI is key performance indicator. And we're going to have five charts. We're going to have three slicers, and we're going to have our headers. So let's start with the KPI. To insert your KPI, we're going to insert a card, this card called 123. So we just click on it and you have this. Lastly, we're going to drop down our data and we're going to click on total sales. So we have $20,000. So let's format this. You come to this place, format your visuals. Now we're going to click on our call out values. We're going to change the font type, sorry, to Calibri. We're okay with 45 as our font size. We're going to make it bold. Now we're going to change the color. I want to use the shade of blue. Next, we're going to scroll down and we're going to off the category label. Now we're going to general. We're going to put on the title and change it to total sales. Okay, we'll make it bold. The font type will change to Calibri. Let's make it 16. We're going to put let's change this. Let's use white because we're going to add a background color to this. So we want it like this so to reflect. Then next we're going to put this total sales in the center like this. I'm going to go down to effect. I want to add visual border and I want to also add the shadow. And let's decrease the size. And we're okay with this. So next we'll get in another card. We want to get the total units. And we're going to do this. Click on units. And we have this. So instead of going through that process of formatting again, we're going to use Format Painter to do this. But to do that, click on it, go to Home, click on Format Painter, and drop the painter here. And we have this. So we're just going to add our title, and we want this to be named Total Units. Let's adjust the size to our choice. So next, we're going to get the average amount. So to get the average amount, the same thing, bring out a card. We're going to now still click on total sales. Now, we don't want sum of total sales, but we want the average of total sales. So we'll click on this drop down and we're going to go over to what? Average. And we have this. So same thing, we use Format Painter to do this. You click on this, Format Painter, and drop the brush here. Now we go to this to add our title. I want to name it average amount. Let's also adjust. Take a year. So the next KPI we're going to get is the number of products. So we'll bring out a card, click on products, and what is coming is Apple First product. So we're going to use distinct count so we can count each product. And we have count distinct, and here we have 5. So Format Painter again, drop it down here. And let's go and add our title. So we have number of let's adjust it. Then the last on our list of KPI is the number of staff. So we'll bring in another card. We're going to take sales agents, and we have less and fail sales agents. So we're going to change to distinct count, and we have this. So using our Format Painter to do same. Now we add the title, and we have, let's make it number of staffs. So let's adjust and let it fit in here. So we have our 5 KPIs. So let's just expand. So we're going to click on this, use your shift to click on the rest of them. I will go to format, go to align top, and distribute horizontally. So we have this for our KPI. So let's shift it up because there are too much space there. We just want to put our headers over there. So I think it's okay. So next we start bringing in our charts. And the first chart we want to bring in is sales by product. And we're going to use a stack column chart for that. So to do that, this is a stack column chart. You click on it and we have this chart here. So we're going to take total sales and products. And we have this. So let's format it. To do that, make sure it's active. It's not active this way, but when you see this all over the edge, it's active. So we'll go to our format visuals. Now, for the x-axis, we are going to remove just the title. So we're going to off the title for the x-axis. We're going to change this color to white. Don't worry, you will see the reason why we're changing it to white. Then we're coming down here to the y-axis. And for the y-axis, we're going to put off the values. We're going to put off the what title. Next, we want to on our data labels. We want it to have data labels all over. When you click on this place, it's on already. So next, we're going to go to General and go to Effects. Now I want to add a background color to it. We're going to use this. This is black. Let's use another shade of blue. Let's use this.